Samsung Galaxy Ring launch in the US hinted. Since its announcement at the Galaxy Unpacked event held last year, the Samsung Galaxy Ring has been in the spotlight for a long time, with reliable tipsters reflecting on what it might be capable of and industry insiders assuring of its soon-expected release. Not only tipsters and analysts, the yet-to-be-released wearable has also been a part of Samsung's official talks, including its trivial highlights displayed at the MWC 2024, with key specifications and release, something that Samsung is yet to provide details about whatsoever. If you too have eagerly been waiting for Samsung Galaxy Ring's release, brace to adorn your fingers with the high-end ring, as Samsung has hinted at when it will hit the store shelves in the US. Galaxy Ring releasing in August 2024. The development has surfaced from the sidelines of Samsung's lawsuit against Aura, an attempt to dislodge legal challenges brought its way by the Aura manufacturer over alleged patent infringement committed by Samsung. In the lawsuit, Samsung states that the commencement of large-scale production of its Galaxy Ring will be executed by mid-June. Samsung will be selling the Galaxy Ring in the US in or around August of this year, the company added. The timeframe mentioned in the petition is quite believable, as the South Korean tech giant is all set to officially launch the Galaxy Ring at its Galaxy Unpacked event, slated to be held in Paris, France on July 10th. This is an indication of 4 weeks being the time enthusiasts will have to wait after pre-orders. Galaxy Ring price. While nothing concrete has come to light regarding how much Samsung Galaxy Ring will cost, rumors suggest that it might be available between $300 and $350.